So, this is the part 1 of our unboxing para di sa ating baby. Say hi, Grommy! Say hi! So, ito, bigay ito sa kanya ng kanyang ninong Casey. Wow! Wow, baby, oh. Oo, sa'yo to eh. Saan natin? Hala, ayaw na. Ayun. You want this? You want this? Say hi to them, oh. Okay, nanay, guys. Okay, let's go. This is your milk, baby. Ito, favorite niya to yung goat's milk. So, yan, nakalagay naman not for human consumption. Hi! Hi! Oo. Saan natin to? Yan. Para may milk na si baby. Wow! Ganda to. Ganda! Sarap to, oh. Para to kay baby Cromie. Hey, baby Cromie to eh. Ayun o. Wow, it's so cutie. That's your milk, baby. Yan inom mo. Opo, inom mo yan. Say thank you to Ninong Casey. Thank you po. Meron na pong gatas si baby. Another unboxing ulit kasi kakarating lang. So, ayan, si baby boy. Ay, girl. Yan. Yan na, may bago ka ulit gift. Galing ulit to kay Ninong Casey. Hey, wow, ang ganda. Wow, this is yours, my love. Look. Looky! Ang ganda naman. Thank you, Ninong Casey. Color orange saka yellow. Ang ganda. This is for you. Ito kasi yung mga lagayan niya, yung mga Tupperware. Ayan. So, meron na siyang bago. Ang ganda, oh. Hindi siya matutumba. Tsaka ang ganda ng itsura niya. Diba, baby? Do you like it? Wow! She's happy. Are you happy? Are you happy, my loves? Are you happy, baby? Oh, happy. Yes, my loves. Is that yours? Oh, it's yours.